Ways to agree and disagree in English. Let's go. Ways to agree. Part 1. I totally agree. I totally agree. I totally agree. Learning English takes time. I totally agree. Learning English takes time. Exactly. 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 That's what I was trying to say. Exactly. That's what I was trying to say. That's so true. That's so true. That's so true. Practice makes perfect. That's so true. Practice makes perfect. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right about that movie. You're absolutely right about that movie. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. She's amazing. I couldn't agree more. She's amazing. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. I didn't think of that. That's a good point. I didn't think of that. True that. True that. True that. Everyone needs a break sometimes. True that. Everyone needs a break sometimes. You said it. You said it. You said it. Mondays are the worst. You said it. Mondays are the worst. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. I feel the same way about online classes. I feel the same way about the online classes. Definitely, definitely, definitely. Let's go for it. Definitely, let's go for it. For sure, for sure, for sure, I'm in. For sure, I'm in. You're right about that. You're right about that. You're right about that. He's super funny. You're right about that. He's super funny. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. I love that idea. Absolutely, I love that idea. That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel about summer. That's exactly how I feel about summer. I couldn't have said it better. I couldn't have said it better. I couldn't have said it better myself. I couldn't have said it better myself. Ways to disagree, part 2. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Maybe it's different now. I'm not sure about that. Maybe it's different now. I don't really agree. I don't really agree. I don't really agree. I think it's more complicated. I don't really agree. I think it's more complicated. I see your point, but I see your point, but I see your point, but I still think it risky. I see your point, but I still think it's risky. I'm afraid I disagree. I'm afraid I disagree. I'm afraid I disagree. That's not always true. I'm afraid I disagree. That's not always true. Not exactly. Not exactly. Not exactly. Not exactly. That's a bit different. Not exactly. That's a bit different. I get what you mean, but I get what you mean, but I get what you mean, but I have another idea. I get what you mean, but I have another idea. That's not how I see it. That's not how I see it. That's not how I see it. I think it's the opposite. That's not how I see it. I think it's the opposite. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. That's the best solution. I'm not convinced. That's the best solution. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that he's lazy, just tired. I wouldn't say that he's lazy, just tired. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. Actually, it worked for me. I disagree. Actually, it worked for me. That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I saw it myself. That's not true. I saw it myself. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion on that matter. I have a different opinion on that matter. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. He's nice guy. I don't think so. He's a nice guy. Maybe, but I doubt it. Maybe, but I doubt it. Maybe, but I doubt it. It happens soon. Maybe, but I doubt it. It happens soon. We have to agree to disagree. We have to agree to disagree. We'll have to agree to disagree on this one. We have to agree to disagree on this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.